It's 折り紙タイム。久しぶりになってしまいましたが、ぜひ一緒に折り紙しましょう。Okay. Today, we need a piece of paper. Any color is okay. I use pink, but you can use orange, green, many colors. Any color is okay. Okay. Let's start. Are you okay? Okay, first, let's make a big triangle. Let's make a big triangle. And one more. Okay, fold again. And then little triangle, please. Are you done? And then next, open and make a rectangle. Okay, go ahead. Yes. And fold like this. Make a square. Wow, make a square. Are you okay? Okay, next, open this paper and fold. Here is a line. So fold like this and fold like this. Okay, please go ahead. Are you okay? So next, we have a line here, okay? So open like, little bit difficult. Open like this. Sorry, open like this. Yes. Open like this. Okay? Open like this. The other side is the same things. Open and then fold like this. Here is a little bit difficult, I think. But try. You can do it. Maybe I can do it. Okay. Alright. So, here, bottom of the paper, so turn behind. Fold like behind. Okay? Okay, let's try. And then I need a pen. What's this? Do you know what is it? Yes! It's a house. This house is stand. Little bit difficult. So if you, like here, like this, so stand by itself. Okay? Today, It's a house. Okay. Thank you for joining. See you next time. Bye bye.